Keeping the YouTube TV app updated on your Roku ensures smooth streaming and access to the latest features. Here's how to update it step by step. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and ensure it is connected to the internet. Step 2. Press the home button on your Roku remote to go to the main menu. Step 3. Navigate to Settings, System Update. Select Check Now to see if any updates are available. Step 4. If an update is available, Roku will automatically download and install it. This updates all apps, including YouTube TV. Step 5. To manually update the YouTube TV app, highlight it on the home screen, press the star button on your remote, and select Check for Updates. Step 6. Wait for the update to finish. Once updated, open the YouTube TV app and verify it works properly. Step 7. Restart your Roku device if the app doesn't reflect the update immediately. This refreshes the system and ensures the new version runs smoothly. Updating the app fixes bugs, improves performance, and adds new features, making YouTube TV more reliable on Roku. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.